Hey guys, it's me, Daijah. Today I finally made a vending machine. I haven't made a vending machine in like 2 weeks, I think, or like 6 months. I think in like 2 weeks. I mean, in like 7 days. I mean, like 7 days. I haven't made it. Yeah, I haven't made it. I haven't made a vending machine, but I finally made a vending machine. So yeah, guys, I don't know how to read, but my mom told me. This says, I might not read most of them. I might let you. So this says, prize. It says prize, yeah. It says prize. And this is toy vending machine. But they have enough room, so I put the G, I think, there. And then here are some main buttons. They do not go with that. I just beep, beep, beep. This is my favorite color, guys. So I put it there, and I put it from lots of things. Yeah. And, ew, just here. I haven't made a vending thing in a while, but tell me in the comments down below if you like to make my vending machine. I got this from this girl. I don't know what girl, but she is like friends with Kitty Lover 16, I think. Yeah, she made something almost like this. Her voice is like this. Yeah, it was like that. But here's the list. Step 1, push, and so push. I don't said push because I didn't have no more, and then I added a coin there, and then this says I don't know what this is, guys. Ooh, can you read it? Okay, and this is step 3, pull lever and prize box. Yeah, I think this is pull lever. Yeah. So this is step 1, push and coin. I added the coin. Step 2, push. And then I added the lever. And then 3. This is 1, 2, 3, and we're on to 3. And 3 prize box. Oh, I don't know what this says. Maybe it says prize box. Print. I don't know what it says, guys. And then prize box. Yeah, this says prize box. That said prize box, and then this is a picture of a prize box. Yeah, I can like flip it over like this and add one thing, but I don't want to. So here, I'm gonna add in a coin. Hold on, guys. So guys, let me just get out the coin that I added in there. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna add a coin. Oh, my coin fell. So my coin went into a little bowl. And there I went into a little bowl. That bowl right there. And then I accidentally ripped off a kitty thing. Wait, did anything fall? Nothing? Good. And then I have these levers. I'm gonna push in a middle one. So hold on. So guys, I made it. I didn't know what you just saw. So it says prize, and I did win a prize, and my prize is. Can't get it. My arm right next up. I feel it. to collect them up here. So I got this. Put on there. So guys, I finally got something out. It is a banana. I'm trying to get the banana out. I'm almost there, guys. I just can't let you see it because I need 2 hands. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. But yeah, here is my little banana comb. Banana comb. Now my monkey is still in there, I think, because monkeys like bananas, so I think it is a monkey. How do I get it out? It's almost out, guys. Come on. And don't forget to join in Daijah's family. Like the Jester's family. If you watched that video, I made up a family now called the Daijah's family. Yeah, it's called the Daijah's family. Not the Daijah's family. It's called the Cruz family. I don't know what his name is. But yeah, he has a family, and my is a Cruz family. So yeah, it's almost out, my monkey. Come on, monkey. Ooh, I can pull. There, I got it out. Finally, guys, I finally got it, the little monkey out. Isn't it cute with its banana comb? Or its bananas? It's cute. Oh, it's sticking to me. I'll put that right there. The circle. Like right there. And then, I'm going to do it again. And then I'll show you the research. Actually, guys, I don't want to do it again. So I'm just going to show you what is inside. Here's all the details of what's inside. I'm trying to show you the presents. And it says toy vending machine. Yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace, like and subscribe, and peace.